Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And for my new subscribers, I'm very glad you're joining us. Welcome to my channel. My name is Yvonne and in today's video I want to show you the prize I won from Susafu. She had recently on Instagram a giveaway because her Etsy shop is 3 years and this is her name, but I will link it in the description box below. Susafu Vintage Papers. She sells vintage papers, vintage items, vintage books, but also she makes beautiful handmade items herself and she sells them in her Etsy shop, of course, and she shows them all on her Instagram account, but I will link them in the description box. She added this beautiful card and on the back she wrote me the thank you note for joining the giveaway. And yeah, I was so excited that I won because yeah, vintage papers and everything, that's always a good thing to win. She added some winter tea. I tried that already. And this, just a little collage card she added from old book page. And the beautiful wrapped packages with some, this is a real vintage bag, and the rest is a little decorated, and on every one there's, she wrote in hand lettering what is in there. So let's start from the top with the smallest package, and it says small ephemera pieces. So let's go in there. And yeah, brown packaging, I don't think there's nobody who doesn't like brown packaging. I love to use it and to put texture paste on it. So this bag is already included in the price because I can use that. Let's see that there's nothing left behind. This I really love, but I forget to use it more often, but I really like this. That's beautiful. And these I saw before that someone used them, and I really adore these. They're small playing cards, but I love the birds on the back. Oh, awesome that I got these. And these are all tiny tickets, and you can feel that it's old, that they're old tickets. Ah, really nice. And the number again, and the small labels, and the seals. Now this is real vintage, because those kinds of things they don't make anymore. Very cute. And all vintage, yeah, labels of bottles and all kinds. Lemonade. Little bag. I always love these. And the numbers. And there's the stickiness on the back side. And coupons. Yeah, coupons. And little cards. I think this is from a game, if I read the text. A little index card, really like that. Ah, and this is a cute doily. Oh, I love that. Tickets are always good in any project. Lots of tickets. Oh, great. These little envelopes, the real old ones, I love these. All kinds of labels and tickets. Beautiful. Ah, library cards, I love those. I never saw them here anywhere. And again, the labels of bottles and items. Put that a bit all together again, before I'm losing things. And these, they're also like a doily or a coaster. Feels great. Maybe I can try to stamp or print on that. Oh, and these I really like. The old receipts. Beautiful. Yeah, an admittance ticket. And this it's completely structured. I don't know if the camera is picking that up. On two sides, it's structured paper, so that's always nice. And an older envelope, and because this is in the inside, you can feel the fluffiness of the envelope. Beautiful. I really love these items. So I'm going to put that to the side. Beautiful little items. Ooh, lace, always. I love using lace. Let's see if I can open it a bit without tearing the bag. Beautiful bag. I can really use those. And the laces. Ah, I saw someone use the white open. Oh, and it's in pink. She doesn't really know me, but at random she picked the right colors. Oh, love this. Let's see, I think it's a piece. Oh, great. I love this. It's so different. Oh, yeah. I love it. Put it here. Yeah, these laces, yeah, in a way, lace is always good. Beautiful. And because she has, yeah, all vintage things, I don't have much vintage. And mostly the lace I have is bought. So, yeah, it's nothing I already have. It's all new. Oh, I love this. This is also beautiful. Oh, she couldn't have known that, but she picked everything right. Gorgeous. Oh, and here, a bit linen fabric. Beautiful. Yes, this is always a good thing. Amazing. Yeah, very happy with these. Put the bags to the side. Let's see, book pages. Yeah, with a price like this, the items she sells in her shop, yeah, you can never go wrong because everybody can use laces and book pages and bags. I think I have everything. Yeah. Oh, I love the bag. From a store. And I love the coloring. With all the prints. It feels like, yeah, almost as handmade paper. It's from a small dictionary. German to French, I think, if I'm correct. I don't speak French, but I think it is. These are also, yeah, very cute. All the vintage cards. The telex card, I think, is this, or a timed card. Vintage postcard. Oh, that's a letter. Ah, that's strange. Ah, it's empty. It's like a postcard, but there's not an image on the back. Ah, that's cute. Very delicate, very thin paper. Yeah, again, yeah. A very thin writing paper. Oh, I will be hoarding some of these. That's the downside of vintage papers. When you use them up, they're gone. Love this also. Really have to think how I'm going to use it. This, yeah, I love the old envelopes. I don't have that much old envelopes, so I'm very happy with these. And also the green, amazing. And it's really brown aged. Gorgeous. Oh, old music sheets, I love those. And this is in the beautiful German font I love. Won't be using them very soon because they're way too pretty. Oh, she did more. Oh my God, my favorite font. I love this so much. It's so beautiful. So elegant and yeah. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah, also, I think a card of an employee. Book pages. Oh, again, the beautiful font and then the frame. Oh, love this. Yeah, this will go in my own journal. My own journal. Mathematics. And again, in the beautiful script. Oh, wow. Oh, she picked beautiful pages. And index. I really like index papers. Oh, and again, dictionary in the beautiful font. Oh, oh, thank you so much, Susanna. You picked really beautiful items. This also very beautiful. Oh my. Oh, these are so beautiful. And airmail envelopes. The newer ones I have, but this looks older. And again, also with the lining, it feels a bit fluffy. I don't know what to call it differently. An inventory card. This I have never seen. Something that comes out of a machine. I like that. Oh, those old paper bags. I so love it when you had to buy when I was a little child and you went to stores where they put the items loosely in these bags. That's going way back. This also feels again like handmade paper. A very large bag is this. Beautiful. Oh, and again, the very thin paper that is mostly like a cover for a picture in a book. Oh, these are amazing. All with a beautiful font. And old writing paper. And the yellowed. You can see that it's older. It's not the same like today. Here you can see it by the coloring. Beautiful. An invoice. Gorgeous. Gorgeous with the sticker. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I don't know if I can use these, but then I have a beautiful selection I can digitalize and start using them that way first before I... oh, this is also very beautiful. And it's a very wide one also. That's very hard to digitalize. If I make this digital, yeah, a piece will fall off and the sticker is here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Love that. Oh, and again, the dictionary with the beautiful font. Oh. Oh, Susanna, you make me very happy. Oh my God. This is awesome. Yeah, really gorgeous items. I really have to take some time to yeah, where I'm all going to put this, because I really need to organize it a bit again. Because sometimes I have a hard time finding what I have. Not in all areas, because I do it more often, reorganizing. Oh my, beautiful. Yeah, she couldn't have known, but I love this with the, yeah, reddish pink, beautiful. And this also. Oh wow, and it feels like it's almost fabric, and that's the real old ones, they feel so nice. A very bright one, but with pink. Beautiful. Oh, this one looks a bit Amity Bloom like. Beautiful. Yeah, and also like this. I'm not a blacky person, but the colors of the flowers are very vibrant. Oh, I love these. This is also, it just feels, on the back it's just like fabric. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm so happy. I was excited to have one, but yeah, this is amazing. I had no idea what to expect, but it's an amazing price. When I started, the sun was shining, so I thought, oh, it's okay with filming. And now it's all cloudy, but I think if I look at the screen, it's good enough with the light, I think. Yeah, and this I also so much like so much, the vintage music sheet. I also use it a lot in my projects, so this is very welcome. And this is something I have never seen also. Maybe this is what they call newsprint, I don't know. Beautiful. It's, yeah, thin, but yeah, yet also sturdy and a bit brownish. Oh, I love this. It could be very beautiful to print letters on. Yeah, this I also like, the graph paper in orange. And in green, I knew it existed, but I couldn't find it. I like it in the green even better. Yeah, the green is not really picking up. That's maybe because it's dark outside. This is in vellum, and this is in the orange in the normal paper, like the green. Oh, love the green. And this is also very old. Oh, this is beautiful. Because I have a lot of graph paper from the school days of my children. But if I coffee or tea dye it, it gets all, yeah, too grungy. I like that if it's aged evenly, and I'm not succeeding at that with coffee or tea dyeing, so I'm very happy with these. Yeah, these also, yeah, I love these. This is very old, because all the ones I have are much newer, and yeah, it's not the same. And this, oh yeah, after the German font, Ledger is my all-time favorite. I'm so happy with this. Oh my, beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. The numbering and the lettering. Look here, the titles alone, the beautiful script. Gorgeous. And here again with the beautiful font. Oh, love this. Yes, oh, really love these. And here a bit smaller, but also the ones I have are more small. So I really like this. And because they're empty, I really love that. Beautiful. And this is another. It's also like a register. The gold items they sold. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I like this. You can make the flip folded like that in a, oh, as a page in the journal. Wow. Wow, wow. I love it. All such beautiful papers, and a lot of what I got now I don't have. So I'm very, very, very happy. And please do check Susafu, check her out. She sells beautiful items, also the things she makes herself. And Susanna, thanks again for this amazing giveaway, and I really couldn't be happier with this prize I won. So thank you again. And for all your viewers, thanks so much for tuning in, watching and supporting my channel. If you like this video, I would love for you to subscribe, give a like or a comment, and I would love to hear from you. And yeah, please do give a like or a comment, because that will help my channel to grow, and I love making these videos for you. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.